purchased the house on June. We moved in, and during a hot summer, our AC bill is just huge. So what do? So we call this solar guy team. He's awesome. So he recommended a solar system. He did some research about my PG&E bill at the beginning, and then we find a good solution. So we installed the solar system on the rooftop. Let's check that out.
Yeah.
So what do you think?
Our monthly payments are way cheaper than what PG&E was charging us for sure. So we're just paying for gas right now. It's been awesome. The app is awesome too. You see how much power you're generating per month. So we can't be happier.
The key is the sooner you start it, the better it gets. Okay.
Yep.